or Namtok, one of the most popular recipes, not only in Thailand but in Thai restaurants in America. If you haven't discovered this style of pork or beef, you must try it. It's a delicious salad, and it's very simple to make. The flavors all combine and make a perfect meat salad. Just delicious. She sliced up pork. She puts it in a pot. She hasn't turned the heat on yet. There, she just turns it on, and you'll see her add some water, quite a bit of water. You can see it here in the video. Here, now it's cooking. She will add a little bit of MSG, that's optional. That's what this is. That is fish sauce. She just turns it around with that spoon. We also have that spoon available at ImportFood.com. There goes lime juice. This is in Kanchanaburi. We actually have a map. You can go see this lady yourself if you'd like. She's very popular here in Kanchanaburi. Not difficult to find. That's a different dish that she's making. You'll see her daughter in a minute. This is a mother-daughter team. That is prikbon, which is dried chili powder. And this is kaukur. That is pounded toasted jasmine rice, and there's a recipe for all of this at ImportFood.com. Don't make it without the kaukur. He's almost done here. At the very end, you'll see her add a combination of sliced shallots and green onion. That's what this is. There go the shallots and green onion. This is organized nicely on the plate. We hope you enjoy this recipe and attempt to make it at home. She garnishes it with mint leaves. This is a delicious Thai recipe. Thanks for watching.